I mean, but there's no reason for us to have a traffic stop. That's what I need to understand. Seriously? No, I'm pouring it out. No, I'm pouring it out.
A late-night traffic stop in Leesburg, Florida. A woman riding on the outside of a moving vehicle. Officers try to pull the car over. The driver keeps going. By the time everyone is stopped, what should have been a warning is already turning into something else. This is proof on record.
Turn the car off.
No, he don't have nothing.
Turn it off. Why'd you leave?
The girl was just I was giving her a ride to a car. No reason I left, really.
Yeah, we was trying to drop her off to her car, and then the police stopped us.
Yeah, I know. I was standing there, and then she jumped off, and y'all took off. And
because
we said to
they
stop,
stopped
and you didn't
her
stop.
right there.
When we told you to stop, and you didn't stop.
Didn't nobody tell
Yes, he did stop.
You're driving her.
We was going right around the corner right there to her car.
You have your license on you, sir?
Yeah, I got my license.
Excuse me. Let me get my stuff.
You're a part of this. You can't leave.
Why I can't? Excuse me.
If you want to get back in the car, sure, get back in the car.
Here go my license.
Right here.
He good. He don't drink or smoke, so there's no reason to stop him at all.
See, I told you got in this bullshit.
I didn't know that they was gonna do all of this bullshit, babe.
Yeah, I mean, she was on the back of the car.
But we was finna turn to take her to her
They were
car.
gonna do so.
But we didn't see them until we got down the road.
What happened?
There's a female riding on the side. Yeah, on the trunk. And then she jumped off, 30 stopped her, tried to get them to stop, they took off. So who's the girl that was with y'all?
I don't know.
You don't know her?
No, I don't. That's
You know her? Who's she?
She's over there.
Who is she? I don't understand that. Who is she? Is she a friend of yours or? Tonight? Okay, so she's not a friend.
Well, I didn't meet her tonight. I met her last Friday. But can I ask you why are we being stopped? You can give me that cause because what's the reason?
This is the vehicle she was riding on. You are allowing her to ride on the back of the car. It's a traffic offense.
Man, I just gave her a ride.
But
I mean, I ain't.
All right, you're detained too. All right, so you need to stay in the vehicle.
Why am I detained?
Because you're a passenger in the vehicle. You are detained.
I didn't think it was gonna be no big deal like that.
What do you need from me?
It's really not that big of a deal. It's just
She just jumped on the back of the
I mean,
car.
but there's no reason for us to have a traffic stop. That's what I need to understand.
And I'll keep that riding on the exterior of the vehicle.
I mean, just let them do what they got to do. Just let them do what they got to do. What you planning on doing?
Do you happen to have ID with you, ma'am?
No. What the f is my ID?
Don't put no whole bunch of stuff on the back of my car.
No, but I'm trying to find my ID, and I can't find my ID.
Is it in your purse? Here, you need some light?
Can I get out?
Sure, step out.
I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do nothing.
That's simple.
That's good. Don't do none of that.
There probably ain't a whole bunch of much fun to have up here then, right?
Huh?
There probably ain't much fun to have up there then, is there?
I mean, hey.
That seems to be what everybody does.
Yeah, I don't.
What the fuck is my ID? Oh.
You ain't got nothing legal in here?
Nah.
You mind if I check real quick?
Say it.
Go ahead. I'm gonna walk back.
Like I said, you're detained on a traffic stop.
He said you can't
All right,
leave.
if you leave,
Stop. You can't leave.
If I leave, what?
you'll be subject to being placed under arrest.
Yeah, you've committed a violation also. You've got an open container in the car.
Because now I'm pissed off. Because this is bullshit.
What is?
Ain't nothing, and there's nothing in there. I can tell you, there's nothing in there. Nothing at all. I'm 66 years old. What's gonna be in there?
I don't know, you'd be surprised.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised some of the people we do.
No, I didn't hear.
You understand why you're stopped, right?
I mean, would he write me a ticket or something?
Yeah.
I don't know what he's doing. He's the primary officer, so I don't know what he's doing. But do you understand what the reason for the stop was?
somebody was on the back of the car. Yeah. I mean, I
Yeah.
understand that, but I don't understand what could the ticket possibly be?
So there's in the statute, there's a traffic offense for the driver allowing passengers to ride on the exterior of the vehicle. So even though she was right, she can get a ticket too for riding on the exterior of the vehicle, but so can you for allowing that.
That's crazy because that kind of really had nothing to do with it. That was them. They just got on. She just got on the back.
Just randomly hopped on.
Yeah. I mean, I had nothing to do with it. They was talking. I don't really even know the girl.
Yeah.
You know, them two was talking.
Okay.
Sandy,
What?
you should have told them no for them searching your car because you could say no. My mama just said that. You should have said no so they won't search your car.
Ain't
Because
nothing
they don't
in
have
it.
nothing. You
Ain't
don't have nothing.
ain't
Even though you don't
nothing
have
in
nothing, but you still should have said no. Because if they don't smell nothing or anything, they're just not going to do nothing but make them mad and then get them more hyped up.
All right, where are you going? All right, this is the last time I'm going to tell her, okay? She needs to come back to this car or else I'm going to place her under arrest.
Dad, come back. He said he's going to place you on the arrest. Come back. Come back.
All right. Here's your license. This is just a warning for having the passenger
Well, I mean,
ride. And I understand, but
you know, that was them. And she just got on the back of the car, and I just...
so it's not a ticket. You ain't got to pay no
Okay.
fine, nothing
All
like
right.
that. All right?
All right.
Miss McGowan, here's your license. This is a warning for your open container. I need you to dump that out, okay?
What?
Your open container, your open bottle of liquor that's in your purse, that was in the car that you hid in your purse. I'm going to need you to pour that out for me.
Just pour the look out.
The stop itself is straightforward. Someone riding on the exterior of a moving vehicle is a traffic violation in Florida. The driver gets a warning. The passenger gets a warning for an open container she hid in her purse. Then the officer tells her to pour it out.
No, I'm pouring it out. No, I'm pouring it out.
Now you're under arrest.
No, I'm pouring it
Why
out.
did you do that? Why did you do that?
I was pouring it out.
But you pointed on the people.
No, I didn't. I didn't try to. I didn't try to. Oh my God. I didn't try to pour it on you. I promise you. I did not try. Can I? I'm going to jail.
Yep.
You got to calm down.
I wasn't trying to pour it on you guys.
But you did.
I didn't mean to.
So now you're being charged with battery and law enforcement.
I didn't try to do that. I promise
Do you have anything on you?
What do you mean?
Like anything in your bra, underwear, anything we need to be concerned about?
I wasn't trying to, sir.
No, answer the question.
No, sir, but I was not trying to pour that on you. I promise to God. I was not trying to pour that on you. You told me to pour it out, so I just poured it out right there.
How this is going to go.
No, I promise you, I was not trying to do that. I just tried to pour it out right there.
Do you want your property to go with him, or do you want it to go to the jail with you?
I don't want to go to jail.
You're going to jail.
Please.
You're going to jail.
Why? Can we just talk about this?
No,
like,
no, we're
I
past
didn't
that.
try to pour that on you.
You did.
No, I did not.
You did. Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I just poured it out.
So,
Oh my God. What the fuck did I get in my purse?
Okay. So again, do you want your property to go to the jail with you, or would you like it to go with Sam? Or do you want your wallet and your phone to go with you, and then the rest go with him? What?
They arrested them.
That doesn't answer my question.
I didn't try to pour it on you. Like,
Okay,
I'm
we're
so
past that.
upset.
We're past that. Do you want your property to go with him or go with you?
I don't want to go to jail.
You're going to jail. Answer the question, or I'm going to make the decision for you. Okay.
all right.
All right. You want to put her in
You
the
can
car?
take it
Alright,
with
let's
no.
go to my
You can
car.
take it. You can give it to Sandy.
Okay.
Sandy, can you bail me out of jail tomorrow? Can you bail me out of jail tomorrow? Let me talk to them.
Stop pulling away from me.
Can I figure out this real quick first?
Get in the car first. We're not going to do this here.
I'm cooperating. You don't have to
Okay.
push me or nothing.
Well, you weren't just recently, okay? So get in.
I was.
You literally
poured
pulled
out
away
my
from
bottle.
me. Okay.
I poured out my
Get
bottle.
inside the vehicle.
Just calm down. Calm down.
Okay.
And I'm gonna calm down.
Okay. Can you please get inside the vehicle?
This is crazy.
So she want that to stay with me?
Yeah, she wants that. I'm going to take her wallet and phone just so she has it for when she gets out. But yeah, you can take the rest of her stuff. I don't know why she had the nonsense. All right, man. God dang, I'm an idiot.
She pours it in the direction of the officer. She says it was an accident. He says it was not. The body camera shows the moment and the proximity. That footage is now the only thing that matters in this case. Here is the legal question at the center of it. Battery on a law enforcement officer in Florida under statute 784.07 does not require intent to injure. It requires intentional contact or intentional action that results in contact. She intentionally poured the bottle. The liquid made contact with the officer. Whether she meant to hit him or not, the act was deliberate and the contact was real. That distinction is what separates a bad accident from a battery charge. The officer is clear about it. We are past that. The conversation about intent is over. The question now is what goes to jail with her. She also consented to a search of the vehicle earlier in the stop. Her family member watching from the sideline pointed that out in real time. You should have said no. She is right about the law. You can decline a search without probable cause, but consent was already given and the search was already done. That advice landed about 4 minutes too late. The search connected to the arrest produced additional findings. She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and possession of cannabis under 20 grams. It started with someone riding on the trunk of a car. It ended with 2 charges that did not exist 60 seconds before she poured that bottle. The last thing she says before the door closes is, "God, I'm an idiot." That might be the most legally accurate statement of the entire stop. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.